In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new calendar on Google Calendar and add events to help you smoothly organize your week. Getting started with Google Calendar can seem like a daunting task, but you'll find it's an intuitive and powerful tool for scheduling all your commitments. First off, let's open Google Calendar. Head over to your favorite browser and type in Google Calendar. Once you're there, take a moment to appreciate the clean interface. It might appear simple at first glance, but don't let that fool you. There's a lot you can do here. Now, let's get a more detailed view by changing the calendar to a weekly layout. To do this, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see options to view your calendar by different time periods. Click on Week to switch to a weekly view. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your upcoming days, making it easier to plan efficiently. Next, we'll be adding a brand new calendar. To do this, find the plus sign located on the left side of the screen. Clicking this will reveal more options. Select Create New Calendar and you'll be prompted to name your calendar. Here, think about how you want to organize different types of activities. Giving your calendar a specific name, like work meetings or personal goals, can help you quickly identify and manage your events down the road. Once you've chosen a name that suits the function of your new calendar, go ahead and click Create Calendar. Congratulations! You've just set up a dedicated space for your appointments, meetings, and reminders. Now that our calendar is ready, let's start adding events. Click on the date and time you wish to schedule an activity. This brings up an event box where you can input all the details of your planned activity. Begin by naming your event. Try to be specific. A title like Team Meeting or Dinner with Friends keeps things clear and organized. Once you've named your event, make sure to choose the correct time. Double-check that both the start and end times align with your expectations to avoid any mix-ups later. After you've inputted all the details, simply click Save. You'll see your event appear on the calendar screen. The beauty of Google Calendar is now in full display. Everything is organized neatly, fitted within the context of your week. Continue this process to fill up your calendar. Click on Open Slots to add as many events as necessary. Whether it's scheduling meetings, setting reminders for project deadlines, or organizing personal activities, these steps will help you map out your weekly schedule effectively. And that's it. You now have a week view designed to keep you on track, ensuring no appointment or task slips through the cracks. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.